ActivInspire provides multiple avenues to import engaging media into your flipcharts. Most of these ways are in the resource browser. The shared resources are installed in your computer's public directory and are available for everyone who logs on. When you install the ActivInspire Resource Pack, you should install it in the shared resources so each user can access it. My resources are installed in your Documents folder and are only accessible by you. To add resources to this directory, find the My Resources folder and add files to it. If you already have a folder full of media you wish to use in ActivInspire but would rather not transfer it all to the My Resources location, no worries. You may leave the folder intact and point ActivInspire to it instead. Simply click the Other Resources location button in the resource browser, click the three dots, and browse to the location where your files are. Everything will show up in the resource browser. Our support site is always here whenever you need assistance. Browse the product pages or do a search to find specific articles and videos to help answer your questions anytime. Thank you for watching.